Hello everyone, my name is Sonu Singh. Today's topic is about Office 365. Office 365 is a cloud-based subscription service that provides access to the Microsoft Office suite as well as other cloud-based services like OneDrive and Microsoft Teams. It's designed to enhance productivity for individuals, families and businesses. Microsoft first announced Office 365 in 19 October 2010, beginning with a private beta with various organizations, leading into a public beta in 18th April 2011 and reaching general availability on 28th June 2011. More details: subscription based access. You pay a recurring fee monthly or yearly to access the Microsoft Office apps and services. Includes the Office suite. This typically means Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Publisher, Access and other depending on the specific plan. Cloud based. The app and services are hosted in the cloud, allowing you to access them from various devices and locations. Collaboration features. Many plans include features that facilitate real-time collaboration on documents and projects, such as sharing editing in Office apps. Beyond Office applications, beyond the core suite, Office 365 often include additional services like OneDrive for cloud storage, Exchange for email and calendar, SharePoint for document sharing and collaboration, and Microsoft Teams for communication and collaboration. You can see this is cloud-based 365. There you can use all the applications. Picture. You can use all Microsoft applications through cloud Office 365 and also many more different services. Variety of plans. Office 365 offers different plans for home, businesses and enterprise use, each with varying feature and pricing. Office 365 you can also write like O365. O means Office. 365 means 365 days of service. Thank you for watching.